Hi and welcome to the eSkooly tutorial series. I am Norman, and in this video, I will show you how you can install eSkooly Pro on cPanel. So, let's get started. Once you complete the purchase, you will receive product delivery instantly via email. The email from /2Checkout contains your payment details and a secured download link to the eSkooly Pro product files. You can download them by clicking the download link. The order confirmation email from eSkooly containing the software activation details. Once you complete the download of eSkooly Pro zip file, extract it, and you will see two files, a documentation folder and a upload.zip file. Now let's install it on your hosting. Log into your hosting cPanel and go to the File Manager section. If you want to host it on your main domain, go to the public-HTML folder. Now, click on the upload link in the top menu. Once the page opens, click on Select File and choose Upload.zip file to start uploading. Wait until the file loading got completed. Once the uploading completes, click on Go back to public-HTML folder. Now, you will see an Upload.zip file in your folder. Go to the upper right corner and click on the Setting button. Please check the Show Dotted Files option if it is not checked by default, and click Save. Now you need to extract the upload.zip file. After extracting, you will see a list of files and folders. Choose .env file and click Edit to open it. Here you need to add your database details. In the cPanel, go to the Databases section and click on My SQL Database Wizard to create a quick database. Step 1. You need to write any name for the database. Click Next. Step 2. Here you need to create a user for the database. Write a username. Then choose a password and confirm the password. Click on Create User. Step 3. Now you need to assign all privileges to the user. Scroll below and click on Save Changes. Congrats! Your database has been created successfully. Now you need to add this database details in the .env file. Write database name, username, and password in the .env file, and click Save Changes. Boom! That's all you need to do at the cPanel side. Now, visit your installation domain or URL. There you will see an installation wizard. Please follow the steps to complete the software installation and activation. Once you complete the installation, you're ready to use our software. If you still need assistance with the installation and activation of the product, please visit our knowledge base or contact our customer support center. Thanks for watching.